Hi folks, David Waring here again with InformedTrades.com and a video update for my Marketclub trading diary. Just a quick video to let everyone know that I was stopped out of my United Airlines trade last week. So that's 3 losing trades, 1 break-even trade, and I have 1 position that's still open in the Euro-Yen. So we're waiting to see what happens with that. I also wanted to let everyone know that I initiated a new position long the GLD on Friday on the breakout there, which I'm going to talk about in the slides that follow. Lastly, I wanted to let everyone know that I've put together a trading spreadsheet where I'm keeping track of all the trades as well as the equity in the paper trading account on an end-of-day basis, which is posted on the Marketclub trading diary at Informed Trades for those of you who'd like to see that. So let's take a look at the slides for the GLD trade.
Okay, so as always, I'm going to start out by looking at the weekly chart with the Marketclub trade triangles on it. And as you can see here, there was a green triangle issued on the weekly at 76.36 on Friday, which is I received an email about. I've got it set up so it emails me when I get weekly and daily trade triangles. So the next thing was to check the daily chart, and as you can see there as well, we have a green trade triangle that was also issued on Friday. When I originally got the email, the market was trading at 78.50 and the high was 78.90, so I decided to post on the blog that I would put a buy order for 79 on the paper trading account. So if the market took out the highs for the day, then I would be entered into a trade, and that was actually the high for the day. Now I actually made a mistake here and I forgot to check the smart scan portion of the software, which is one of the filtering criteria. And as those of you who've been following the diary know, one of the criteria is that both the 4th and 5th triangles here have to be green, and as you can see, the 5th triangle is actually red here. So I actually should not have entered this trade, but since I made the mistake here and posted it on the Marketclub diary, I'm going to pretend like this was a real account, just like we're doing with everything else. And so I'm going to take the trade, and I'll show you how I'm going to manage it here in the next slide. So the original stop here was, as you'll see in the next slide, at 69, below this level of support here. And I'm targeting 100 on the on this trade because I think if and when gold finally does break for real, we're going to make a run for the highs and probably then some with all of the bailout money and all this that's going into the economy and everything. So as you can see here, the instrument is the GLD, which is the ETF which tracks the price of gold. The entry price was 79, target 100. The stop was 69, and my current account equity on the paper trading account is $28,717.17. So I was willing to risk 1.5% on this trade, which comes out to $430.75, and I divide that by the $10 worth of risk to give me 43 shares for this trade. Now, I've since realized that I actually should not have taken this trade based on the filtering criteria. The market is trading 81 and change today. So what I'm going to do is, instead of closing the position out, I'm going to move the stop to break even, just in case we do get a run here. I might as well stay in the trade since it is profitable. And if not, if it turns back against me, then I'll get stopped out, and that'll be a free trade for the paper account here. Okay. So as always, if there's any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And good luck with your trading.